Welcome back, creators! We're TrustedShoppingGuide.com, and today we are in the workshop. In this video, we'll be sharing with you our 7 highest rated vinyl labeling tapes. With its easy-to-use features, vinyl labeling tape makes organizing easier than ever. It can be used to mark up just about everything from gardening tools, garage items, letters, packages, tubs to storage drawers. In this video, sit back and relax as we present to you a list of the top-rated vinyl labeling tapes available on the market today. The team at TrustedShoppingGuide.com have researched, assessed, and awarded ratings to all the vinyl labeling tapes that will be presented in this video. We have selected our top-rated options for you to make it easier to decide which one to buy today. To help you further, there are timestamps and direct links to all the products in the description below. You're welcome to check us out on TrustedShoppingGuide.com for more of our research in the workshop, or alternatively, subscribe to this channel for regular updates. The first vinyl labeling tape in our list is the LABELWORKS vinyl labeling tape. The LABELWORKS vinyl labeling tape is available in 4 different widths: 12, 18, 24, and 36 millimeters, with black lettering on white tape or black text on yellow tape available in all sizes. This device is also compatible with Ksun and Epson LABELWORKS PX printers. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the LABELWORKS vinyl labeling tape a 5-batch rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following: strong adhesive. It is tough enough to stay but can be removed without leaving residue. Strong and long-lasting. This will stick securely to surfaces that are curved or uneven and adhere smoothly while offering exceptional resistance to smearing, scratching, fading, and peeling. Versatility. It is ideal for indoor and outdoor use, including storage, point of sale, gas meters, heavy equipment, bulk bins, vehicles, and metal signs. Withstand temperature extremes. This labeling supply is incredibly flexible, strong, and resistant to temperature fluctuations. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is there's no split backing, so it'll take some time to peel the label from the backing. The second vinyl labeling tape in our list is the Aonomi vinyl labeling tape. The Aonomi vinyl labeling tape is formulated with a permanent acrylic adhesive and is ideal for use on any flat, curved, or textured surface. It's also available in the widest range of colors that adhere to AOJE, ANSI, and ISO color standards. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the Aonomi vinyl labeling tape a 5-batch rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following: split back design. The split back design makes it easy to peel and apply. Tear-proof material. It resists damage when pulled through tight spaces or conduits. Moisture, scratch, chemical, oil, and UV resistance. This provides resistance to dampness, scratches, chemicals, oils, and UV rays, making it ideal for labeling both indoors and outdoors. High-quality permanent adhesive. It produces labels that adhere and last even in demanding conditions. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is it is designed exclusively for use with Rhino printers and performs on a variety of surfaces. The third vinyl labeling tape in our list is the AOJE vinyl leveling tape. The AOJE vinyl labeling tape is labels with a gloss finish that can withstand high and low temperatures, abrasion, chemicals, oil, and general industrial filth. It has great material with permanent adhesive for rough, highly textured, dirty, harsh environmental surfaces. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the AOJE vinyl labeling tape a 5-batch rating. The team recommends its purchase based on the following: made from B595 vinyl material. Its material makes it adaptable to harsh locations and climates. White backing. The white backing makes it very easy to peel and quickly apply. Ideal for a wide range of indoor and outdoor identification. It includes visual workplace labels, warning panels, safety signs, arrow tape, warehouse marking, and pipe marking. Easy to read font. The font is jet black on a shiny white background, which makes it easy to read. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is it is quite expensive than other brands but packs a lot of good features. The fourth vinyl labeling tape in our list is the Wonfoucs vinyl labeling tape. The Wonfoucs vinyl labeling tape is compatible with DYMO Rhino 4200, 5000, 5200, 6000, and Dymo Label Writer 450 Duo. It's also suitable for use in 3M PL200, PL300, and Tyco T107M machines. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the Wonfoucs vinyl labeling tape a 5-batch rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following: easy to peel split back design. The easy to peel split back design makes applying labels quick and easy. Strong permanent adhesive. It'll stay stuck in places where most other labels fail. Easy to peel off. The backing is easy to peel off. You can remove labels without leaving adhesive residue. Industrial strength adhesives. It's perfect for marking both indoors and out because it resists dampness, freezing temperatures, oil, wear, fading, and other factors. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is it'll not stick to dirty surfaces, so you'd have to thoroughly clean them first. The fifth vinyl labeling tape in our list is the FlyLong vinyl labeling tape. The FlyLong vinyl labeling tape is compatible with Dymo Rhino 1000, Rhino 3000, Rhino 4200, Rhino 5000, Rhino 5200, Rhino 6000, and ILP 219, 3M PL 150, 3M PL 200, 3M PL 300 Rhino label makers. It's also available in a wide range of AOJE, ANSI, and ISO color standards. Trusted ShoppingGuide.com has awarded the FlyLong vinyl labeling tape a 5-batch rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following: industrial strength adhesive. The labels won't curl or come off because they can withstand moisture, intense heat, UV light, and chemicals. Split back design. The split back design makes it easy to peel off, and you can use it very easily. Resistant to the corrosive effects of moisture, chemicals, UV rays, heat, cold, water, oil, smearing, and fading. It is resistant to the corrosive effects of moisture, chemicals, UV rays, heat, cold, water, oil, smearing, and fading, make it ideal for both indoor and outdoor labeling applications and perfect for your investment. Thermal transfer printing technology. This technology ensures that the label text won't smear, fade, or smear. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is the backing is not split into 2 pieces, which means you need to pick it up at the end to get the backing off the label. The sixth vinyl labeling tape on our list is the Fanooma vinyl labeling tape. The Fanooma vinyl labeling tape can be perfectly applied to industrial equipment such as machines, cables, and parts to make your work more orderly. It's perfect compatible with Dymo Rhino, Vynil Pro 4200, 5200, 5000, 6000, 3000, and 1000. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the Fanooma vinyl labeling tape a 4-batch rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following: continuous label cassettes. This enabled you to make labels of virtually any length that were clear and easy to read. Thermal transfer printing technology. It uses thermal transfer printing technology so label text won't smudge, smear, or fade. Split back design. The split back design makes it easy to peel and apply. Good stickness. It can be left fixed for a long time on the shelf. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is it has no shape memory, so it can be easily wound on a curved surface and maintain the state. The seventh vinyl labeling tape in our list is the Boyeezon vinyl labeling tape. You could print all the text you want using the Boyeezon vinyl labeling tape, then cut them into individual labels right after. It is moisture, chemical, and UV resistant, so it's perfect for indoor and outdoor labeling. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the Boyeezon vinyl labeling tape a 4-batch rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following: strong adhesive. It adheres nicely to surfaces that are smooth, textured, powder-coated, rough, and uneven. Black print. The black print stands out against the white background and is easy to read. Split backing. It has a split backing so you can easily peel it off. Durable. This won't come off and will stay in a place where it can be read. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is it is not recommended to pull the label tape or touch the cutter during the printing procedure to avoid accidents. And there you have it, folks, our 7 highest rated vinyl labeling tapes, which got our team at TrustedShoppingGuide.com excited this year. If you have any contenders for a next vinyl labeling tape roundup, which you would like our team to test, do drop it in the comment section below and we'll be sure to assess them for our next update. If you like this video and it helps you in any way, please do give it a like and hit the subscribe button so that you can stay connected and updated with all of our research into everything that makes our workshops great. We look forward to seeing you at the TrustedShoppingGuide.com again soon.